What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today, as you can see, the kind people over at SupCase was kind enough to send me out the unicorn beetle case. This one is the Max UB Mag Gray. So we're just gonna unbox this and try it out on the device. So pretty much, this is what the case is looking like. And the thing about this case is that they also have that button cover for your for your control button, or whatever you want to call it. I like that because you don't have to worry about dust, dirt, and grime getting on that button because it's covered. So I'm just going to place my iPhone 16 Pro Max in like so. This is what it's going to look like. You do get a nice lip, so if you drop your phone flat down on the table, you will be good to go. I just recommend you throw on a screen protector so you'll be even more protected. This side, you do get your power button, nice and clicky, and I like that is a lighter gray accent. Down here you get your camera control button. Let's see how that works. Works no problem. You can still do all the functions that you need to do with that button. That is not stopping anything. It's just covering it up. Down here, you do get all your cutouts that you're supposed to have. On this side, you do get a lanyard loop if you're into that kind of thing. Over here, you do get those lighter gray buttons. These actually have a little design grips in them. This is your alert slider, nice clicky. Volume up and down button are nice and clicky, no problem. Turn it over to the back. You get your MagSafe capable ring. You get a nice deep cutout for the camera. So if you place your phone flat down on the table, you shouldn't have anything to worry about. But I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next video. I'm out.